Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can convert long videos into short ones on CapCut PC. So go to the home page, select long video to shorts. You can either drag and drop the file there, use Google Drive, Dropbox, or CapCut Space. Then you're going to select the video that you want to convert, maybe this one, and you're going to place it there. So, okay. I think the max is 10 minutes. I'm not sure, but you're going to adjust it. You can also adjust the caption template here. I'm just going to select this one. And then for the duration of the shorts, I want it to be around 1 minute. Then I'm going to press convert here. Press agree, and that's it. It does have to upload your video for it to create shorts because it uses AI to generate it, I think. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!